Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in a hadith that the hour will not be established until the land of the Arabs returns to being green and lush and plenty of rivers. This is one of the signs of the Day of Judgment. Now, how did the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam know this? Michael Petrogalia of Oxford University, he's a professor in Oxford University in evolution and prehistory. He says, new innovative satellite information has shown us that the entirety of the Arab Peninsula was once green and lush. That there were tens of thousands of rivers running through it. Now, they say with climate change, Professor Steph Coplin of Munich University, he studied that area for approximately 2 decades. And he says that those shrubs which were non-literally existent once upon a time have now grown into becoming huge shrubs. He says, I've traveled the area, I've spoken to the local Bedouins. They say within our lifetime there were places there was no rain. He said the rain that we get now is uncomparable. They say our lands, not even a scorpion could live. Not even a blade of grass could grow. He said, you have grass growing there. And I was reading upon this, and many of the analysts say that there's a strong possibility that that part of the world will become green and lush again.